Have you ever noticed how some days feel doomed before they've even started? Where nothing catastrophic happens, no major disaster, no life-changing bad news, yet somehow, by lunchtime, you're already irritated, drained, and counting the hours until the day ends. Most people think bad days happen to them, but that's not always true. Because in many cases, bad days are built quietly, one small decision at a time. And the scary part? Most of these decisions don't feel harmful when we're making them. They feel normal. Today, let's talk about 5 subtle habits that can quietly turn an ordinary day into a frustrating one, and what you can do instead. Because sometimes changing your entire day starts with changing one tiny behavior. 1. Starting the day in defense mode. Many people wake up and immediately dive into problems, messages, emails, bills, and responsibilities. And before they know it, they're reacting to stress instead of choosing their focus. But the first few minutes of the day shape your mindset entirely. Start with something positive, a goal, a good memory, or something you're excited about. Because what enters your mind first often influences how the rest of your day feels. 2. Living in the same mental room. Your brain craves variety, yet many people spend day after day in the same places, following the same routines, and over time, this can make life feel dull and repetitive. Sometimes you don't need a big change or a vacation, you just need a different environment. A walk in a park, a new cafe, or any fresh setting can reset your energy completely and improve your mood more than hours of scrolling. 3. The productivity trap. Most people aren't tired because they're doing too much. They're tired because they're mentally carrying too many unfinished tasks. Unanswered messages, delayed projects, and things to remember later all compete for attention constantly. When you focus on one task and finish it, your mind finally lets go of it, which is why completing something, even small, can feel surprisingly calming. 4. The silent mood killer. One of the most overlooked mood boosters is humor, because a genuine laugh can briefly silence stress, worry, and overthinking. It won't solve your problems, but it can make them feel less overwhelming. Sometimes a bad mood doesn't need a solution, it just needs a break, and laughter is one of the fastest ways to create it. 5. Get out of your own head. When we're constantly focused on our own problems, they tend to feel bigger than they really are. Helping someone else, whether through advice, support, or simply listening, shifts your attention outward and gives you a healthier perspective. Acts of kindness don't just benefit the other person, they often improve your own mood and make your worries feel more manageable. Improving your life usually isn't about making huge changes. It's about the small habits you repeat every day. The little choices and routines that seem invisible often shape how you feel the most. Bad days are built through habits, but so are good ones. And every day, you have the power to choose which habits you're strengthening. Take care of yourself, and remember, a bad day doesn't have to become a bad life.